Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Monica. Without wasting our time, I'm moving on to the content. Imagine if you have robots to do all your works. Yes, we are going to learn about Pega RPA in this entire series. And today's agenda is introduction about RPA, key benefits of RPA, industries which are using RPA tools, history of Pega RPA, installation of Pega Robot Studio, and the overview of Pega Robot Studio. Okay, let's know what is RPA and why do we need it. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. As the name itself explains, it is the process of automating business operations with the help of robots to reduce human intervention. And yes, this is what the companies are expecting. And now you should have got this question in your mind. If it is a robotic process automation, does it involve any real robot? No. RPA does not involve any physical robot. It is a software and it mimics the human work by interacting with application in the similar way the human does. And the next slide is on the key benefits of RPA. There are many benefits a company can acquire by using RPA. Let's see few of the key benefits here. The first one is cost saving. One of the important advantages of RPA is the quick reduction in the cost. It costs less than a full-time employee. It reduces the work of many employees. All the works can be done by a single robot all alone. The second important point is productivity. It improves the productivity as human cannot work for all 24/7 days, but the robot can. The third most important point is quality and accuracy. Robots are reliable and consistent and does not complain when expected to work tirelessly. The important part is that robots follow rules exactly, thereby producing 100% accuracy. And the fourth point is RPA is scalable. With the help of RPA, companies can make adjustments based on seasonality and can easily scale up or scale down operations as needed. And the next topic is industries which are using RPA. Almost all the domains are using RPA in our IT industries. Few of them are customer service, accounting, financial services, healthcare, human resources, and supply chain management. There are many RPA tools available in the market. For example, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, and so on. One among them is Pega RPA. So let's move on to the topic of history of Pega Robotic Process Automation. Initially, OpenSpan is a company who started the RPA in 2004 and it was Robotics OpenSpan. And in April 2016, Pega acquired OpenSpan and named as Pega Robotics. And why Pega is popular? Pega RPA does not require any coding knowledge, so easy to learn, and it provides both RPA and RDA functions. We'll see what is the difference between RPA and RDA in the upcoming videos. Let's move on to the installation part of the Pega Robotics Studio. Pega Robotics Studio is an integrated development environment where we can develop RPA and RDA automation solutions or projects. Pega Robotics Studio is an IDE which is created on top of .NET Visual Studio. We can either use Pega Robotics Studio or Pega Studio plugin with Visual Studio to develop automations. Pega runtime can be used to run the solution. In this video, we are going to see the installation of Pega Robotics Studio. So these are the links which are associated with the installation of Pega Robotics Studio. So this page will give you an information about downloading and installing the Pega Robotics Studio. I will share the links in the comment section. Please follow the steps and feel free to reach out to me if you have any doubt in installing the Robotic Studio. Let's go into the topic on overview of Pega Robotic Studio. Once you install the Robotic Studio, you will be able to see the IDE, which looks like Visual Studio. Once you install the Pega Robotic Studio, you will be able to see the screen which I am showing. So the Pega Robotic Studio contains Object Explorer, Toolbox, Solution Explorer and Properties windows. And after that, it also contains Menu Toolbar, Standard Toolbar, Automation Toolbar and the Designer Workspace. So we'll be going to see everything in the detailed manner in the upcoming videos. And we now reach the end of this video. To get further information on Pega RPA, please do subscribe our channel and support us. Please share your comments in the comment section. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you, friends.